There's a safe, key, which I think you have to get the key from the reception. One of these open wardrobes. The room is very cozy. Chair in the corner. A little stool by the table here. Digital TV. Some chairs to put out in the balcony, but I can't figure out how to open up the balcony door. And then there's some stairs upstairs to the family room. So this is supposed to be a family room. They're very steep, so I'm not gonna go all the way up. But there's a sofa. There's a sofa in there which converts into a sofa bed. But it is quite steep going up and down. That's the room. Not much lighting in here. A mirror, decent sized mirror. Walk-in shower. Two bars of soap. Two little sachets of shampoo. Hair dryer. Plug. Oh, another light. So I've just moved rooms. I was in room 207, but had a few issues, so it was clean-ish. So I found a little bit of sand inside the room. The shower was leaking. What else? I can't remember what it was, but the shower leaking was kind of the last straw. I really like the room also with the steps, but I'm actually in the room next door with the steps, but they're not as steep, so kind of loft room. So there was an option to move to a room on the first floor, but I do kind of prefer that room because I just feel like having the loft is a waste of space, and then having the steps is also a waste of space in the room. However, that room looks onto the pedestrian street in front of the hotel, and because it's a Friday, she said it would be quite noisy. If I wanted to go to sleep early, I would hear all the partying and people walking up and down the street until 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. So I opted for the room next door. It is more or less the same. Well, all the rooms in this hotel are more or less the same. It's just with these two rooms, they have stairs going up to the loft. So I'm just going to do another room tour. So when you come in, and there's the steps going up. However, there's nothing up there. So in the other one there was a sofa bed, and I suppose it's a nice place to kind of chill out. But this one, there's absolutely nothing up there. The steps aren't as steep, so I'll walk up this one. Nothing. Bathroom. So the walk-in shower is smaller. It's just a little cubicle in this one. In the other room it was bigger, but this one we've got a window for ventilation. Shower, there's a rain shower, a handheld shower, and I've already put my body cloth on there. and then a place to put your toiletries. Same toiletries exist in this room, the other room. This bed is actually 2 single beds pushed together. Because the mattress is so hard, where they join, it's actually really uncomfortable. And so I'll take you out in the balcony, figured out how to open up the balcony. So I don't really have pleasant views, but hopefully it won't be as noisy as being, oops, as being at the front. So this is the view. The back, very breezy. And then the pedestrian street is actually just this one there. So I was in this room. This is where I was here. So that's it for the room tour. And now I'm going to go about my day.